In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Beehiiv subscribers. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So whether you're looking to transfer your subscriber list to another platform, do some analysis, or simply keep a backup, exporting your subscribers from Beehiiv is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the subscribers section of your dashboard. The layout is designed to be user-friendly, so you should see an option labeled something like Subscribers or Manage Subscribers. It's usually pretty prominent on the main page. Once you've clicked into that section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different lists and metrics available. You may see active subscribers, inactive ones, and possibly segments that you've created for different campaigns. It's a good idea to get a sense of what you have before exporting. Now, when you're ready to export, look for an option that says Export or Download Subscribers. This is typically found near the top right corner of the subscribers page. If you can't find it right away, don't worry. Most platforms keep export options easy to spot. When you click on that export button, you might get a prompt asking you to choose the format you want. Common choices are CSV or XLSX, which are both pretty standard and can be opened easily using spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. If you're unfamiliar with these formats, CSV, separated values, is widely used for data exports. It stores tabular data in plain text and is often preferred for its simplicity. After selecting your preferred format, you'll likely be prompted to confirm the export. This is just a safety checkpoint to make sure you really want to download the data. Click Confirm or Proceed, and then your file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, you can head to your Downloads folder to find the file. Open it up, and here you'll see all your subscriber data neatly organized in rows and columns. Typically, you'll find information such as names, email addresses, and any other relevant details you might have collected, such as subscription dates or engagement metrics. Take a moment to review the data. If you have certain criteria in mind for what you need, such as only exporting certain segments, you may want to filter those out within your spreadsheet software after downloading. This is fairly straightforward. You can use the filter function to display only what's necessary. Now, let's talk about some practical applications for your exported subscribers. If you're migrating to another platform, most email marketing services allow you to import CSV files directly. This means you can easily transfer your lists without too much hassle. Make sure to check the new platform's guidelines for the format and any required fields before the import. On the flip side, if you're simply looking to analyze the data, you can create charts and graphs to visualize subscriber growth over time or segment engagement. Using functions in Excel or Google Sheets can help you achieve some insightful metrics on how your audience is interacting with your content. Lastly, remember to handle your subscriber data carefully. If you're sharing this information or transferring it to another service, ensure you're compliant with data privacy regulations like GDPR. Protecting subscriber privacy is not only ethical, but also helps in building trust with your audience. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to export your Beehiiv subscribers. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more